There was no warrant, there was no letter, there was nothing that the police came with. They just came and asked my father to come to the police station with them, and they have not disclosed where they have taken him. As of now, I do not know where my father is right now. At around 12:30 a.m. at night, the police again came at my house and tried to detained my mother and my younger sister. My younger sister is just 19 years old and my mother is a diabetic patient. Once again at around 2:30 a.m. the police again gathered at our house and tried to detain myself and my sister-in-law. When we resisted and said that we will not be going with them and we will, they tried to intimidate us, threaten us, harass us.
जो सीधे से मुस्लिम विरोधी सरकार है, इसके खिलाफ एक लड़ाई छिड़ी है। सीएए एनआरसी के खिलाफ भी लड़ाई है, लेकिन सबसे पहले मेरे लिए और मुझ जैसे बहुत से लोगों के लिए और मुझ जैसे बहुत से मुसलमानों के लिए ये लड़ाई हमारी सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट और डिग्निटी की भी है।